How to share reminders on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Reminders application on your phone. In the main screen of the app, tap the New Reminder button, which is located in the bottom left corner. A screen will pop up where you can define your task. First, type a brief description of the task in the title field. You can also add more information, such as a list of items or specific instructions, in the Notes field below. To turn this task into an actual alert, tap on Details. In the Details menu, take your time to set date and time as you wish. You can also set location-based alerts. Once you have filled in all the necessary information, tap the Add button in the top right corner. Here, under the My List section, you will see the reminder you just set has been saved. Now, open the reminder. Then, go to the top right and tap on the share icon as shown. Here, scroll down a bit and tap on Copy Link. Now, go back to the home screen and open up the Messages app as shown. Then, choose the person you want to share the reminder link with and tap on the Send icon as shown. Following these steps, you can easily share reminders on an iPhone.